Hi guys, this is Mr. Wineowine, and today I am going to show you how to make a
This is what you'll need. First, chill the glass. Pour 3 ounces of lime-infused vodka or regular vodka, 1 ounce of Cointreau or triple sec, 0.5 ounces of cranberry juice, 0.5 ounces of lime juice. Add your ice and shake. Strain your cocktail. Garnish with the lime wheel, and voila! Thank you so much for watching. Please give us a thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Sante!